Emma is doing a little better. The swelling has gone down some, and she's in good spirits. How are you feeling, Emma? Emma, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling any better, huh? Are you feeling any better? How's Emma doing, huh? You're not gonna tell me? You're just gonna roll over, huh? How are you doing, Emma? How's Emma feeling today, huh? We're still giving Emma her medicine. Huh? Yeah. We take her back to the vet on Tuesday to see if she needs additional medicine. Thank you all for your PMs and your comments.